The 2012 Toyota Camry Hybrid. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.